Hi everybody, this is Simpiwe from Automation IT, and today we're going to be looking at how to automate data entry from one system to another, and that is usually done manually. And today I'd like to show you how you can save a lot of time from that task by actually automating the data entry. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to use Excel as our source data system, and we're going to use Google Forms as our destination data system. We're going to do two things. We're going to look at how long it takes us to process a maximum of 10 records by hand, manually, like you would normally do. And then we're going to look how long it takes to enter data in an automated way from the Excel to the Google Form. Now, this is just for example purposes for this video. Your source system can be any system. It can be a PDF, a Word document, an ERP system, and our destination system can be any system. It can be an external system. It can be an online form. Anything. We are just using Google Forms and Excel spreadsheet for example purposes to really show the power of automatic data entry and the amount of time that it can save you from your day. Now let's take a look. So what you are looking at here on your screens is a spreadsheet. We've got 10 records here with data, just random customer data, false of course, and then we've got our contact information, Google form that we are required to enter data into. Again, this can be anything. We're just using Google Forms because it's the easiest to set up right now for this video purpose. Now, on the right hand side, we've got our Excel spreadsheet, and on the left hand side, we've got our Google form. The first part of this demonstration is we're going to do it manually, and we're going to see how long it takes us to do it manually. Okay, now let's start and let's see how long it will take us to enter 10 records into a standard contact information form. Here we go. So now, as you can see here, I'm taking Carissa and I'm entering it into my Google form. Now just imagine yourself doing this and the amount of time it takes you to actually enter one record. So I think for the purposes of speed and time, we're going to speed this video up for the next entry, and then we're going to see how long it took for us to actually capture all these details into this form. Let's go ahead and speed it up. And there you have it. So it took us about 6 minutes to do that. 6 minutes and some change to do that. Now let's see how long it will take us to automate this entire process. Here we go, we're opening up our Google form now. This is all being done automatically, and I am not speeding up the video. This is the automation going ahead and entering the information into the form. And there you have it. So that took us roughly about 1 minute and 40 seconds. So 1.5 minutes versus 6.5 minutes. You decide which one is better. And there you have it, everybody. A 6.5 minutes exercise has just been transformed into 1.5 minute automation. You can just start imagining the power and the efficiency that automation can provide to your work, to your team, and to your organization. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this has given you some insight on what is possible to increase that productivity and increase that efficiency. Now, if you would like to automate some of your manual and repetitive tasks or business processes, please go to www.automationit.co.za. I've also put the link in the description. I'll see you there.